Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 8. Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 8, week 1, day 4 of our KAM blueprints. The story for the week, the forest. The theme concept, we can all care for and enjoy Earth's resources. Strategy, summarize, skill, categorize, and classify. Today you're going to blend together, so I will say the sounds and you will blend them together and say the word. I'll do the first one with you. So the first word is hatch. Word, hatch. Good. Next one, wait. Word, k-atch. Word, or word, and j-oy word. Okay. So a fixed review. So sound. Sound. So what 3 sounds does that ED make? Sound. Okay. Now today I want you to read the word to me. So sound, word, sound, or I should say sounds, word, sound, word. Okay. A regular word review, a bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Your turn word, spell bear, and word. My turn word, show, S-H-O-W, show. Your turn word, spell show, and word. My turn word, start, S-T-A-R-T, start. Your turn word, spell start, and word. My turn word, under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Your turn word, spell under, and word. My turn word, vary, V-E-R-Y, vary. Your turn word, spell vary, and word. My turn word, build, B-U-I-L-D, build. Your turn word, spell build, and word. My turn word, from, F-R-O-M, from. Your turn word, spell from, and word. Okay, letter sounds. Sound, 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 sound. Okay, let's move to day 4. Sound. That's right, L. Sound, E. Blend, Lee. Sound, F. Blend, Leaf. Word, leaf. Good. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. This one's going to be 2 syllables, so let's do the first syllable. Sound. It's going to be a long A. Blend. So you should have said pay. Second syllable, let's blend it. Sound. Sound. Blend. So first syllable is going to be pay. Second syllable is going to be per. Put it together and it makes word paper. Good job, you rock.